Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing? And welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm gonna be painting the engine bay. Alright, so there is 5 steps in painting the engine bay. First step is you clean the engine bay. You use a degreaser or a power washer or some like microfiber towels. And then second is you wrap everything. Here, let me show you. I use foil. You wrap everything, all the brake lines, the fuel lines, everything, and then I got some plastic so I can cover the subframe, and so I can cover the subframe, and I got some tape too. That's second, and then third is scuff it down, sand it down, sand the whole bay, and fourth is lay some primer or filler primer. And then fifth is painting it. I don't have the paint right now. I might get it maybe tomorrow, maybe, I don't know. But the color I'm going with is the OEM color. That's Nighthawk black. I want to keep it simple. So I already cleaned the bay with some Simple Green and some microfiber towels. Now I gotta cover everything. So I finished masking everything off, covered everything off. Put some plastic on the window because there's a lot of wind outside and I'm afraid I'm gonna get overspray. But yeah, and then I scuffed it already. And I'm about to hit it with the primer. So let's get it. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that I am going J-front, so there's no point of painting the core support or radiator support if I'm going to take it out, but I'm going to be covering this. And yeah, had to cover up the B20V because can't get overspray. So I'm done. I kept going until I had no more primer left. And yeah, it's not perfect. There's still like dirt. It's not perfect, but this ain't a show car. I'm gonna be driving this. And yeah, and I'm gonna have a little mask or respirator or face mask, so I'm using a t-shirt. And yeah, I'm done. Now I just gotta wait until I get the paint, and that's gonna be in the next clip. In this video. Yo, what's up guys? This is the next day and I got the paint for the engine bay. Here we go. Here it is. I got it from my buddy Johnny, so shout out Johnny if you're watching this. But here is here's the paint. It's a Nighthawk black, and if you guys want to get it, here's the website. Just go RNE color codes. So I never used this paint before, so I'm curious how is it gonna come out. But my buddy Johnny told me it's a good paint, so I'm just gonna use it for right now. Alright, so right now I'm just gonna paint the bay because my clear coat don't come in until Monday, I think. And I'm just gonna let it I'm just gonna let it dry, cure, and then I'm gonna spray the clear coat. So let's get it. Alright, so again I forgot to buy a respirator. So I'm gonna use this t-shirt. And make sure you shake the spray can like about a minute or so. So I finished giving it the first coat. Just gave it a little light coat. But this paint ain't bad. Now when you lay the paint, it lays down good. So far, no runs, no paint runs or nothing. So I'm all out of this can. I gave it 2 coats already. I just started giving it 3 until the can ran out. But here's 2 coats. I just gave it the 3rd coat, and I'm gonna dry a little bit, and then give the 4th. But I still got like half of the can left. Man, I should have bought respirator again. Man, my head's dizzy and everything. I'm gonna go take a little break, and I'll be back. Alright, so I'm back from the little break I took, and here's the update. So I got 2.5 cans left of paint. This one's like right here, and I'm gonna give it 2 more coats, cause like in the back parts right here, it's a little hard to get. I'm gonna get 2 more coats. So I'm gonna let the paint dry, but in the meantime, I bought this 3M. It's like a rubber undercoating. And I'm gonna spray it down. This is like to prevent rust and everything. This is a thick layer. I'm gonna spray it to the T. I think it's a T bracket and the little brace that goes to the subframe. Cause you can see you can see bare metal, and it's getting rusted. Cause in Indiana, your cars get rusted. I'm not gonna be taking out the car in the winter just for in case. Like the bare metal is gonna get rust even more, so I'm just gonna spray like a thick layer. So I painted this. I mean not this, but look, you see the difference. This is non-painted, and then this is painted. It has a wrinkle black to it. So I'm gonna spray this part and then flip that around and paint it. So I gave the 4th coat. I let it dry for like an hour, and it's here. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm surprised how good of a paint this is. One more time. Man, this camera don't do justice, but when the light hits, it reflects. You see the little blue flakes. Alright, so I still have like a little bit of paint left. I'm just gonna use it for some touch-ups later on. But this color, the Nighthawk Black Pearl thing is called. Later on, I'm gonna get my whole car resprayed and use that color. Yo, what's up guys? It's a new day, and I hope it's the last day I finish this. But let's get started. Alright, so today my clear coat came in. I already opened it, but here it is. This is one using 2K clear coat. This is my first time using it, but I heard it is a good clear coat. So yeah, and I bought 2, and finally I bought a respirator. So don't hate on me. So here in the back it has instructions. Shake it for 2 minutes, and there's this red cap. It goes up here, but you just take it off, you flip it over, and you press into this thing, and here, let me do it. Man, it's hard, but yeah, you just press it in, and it's like a hardener. and then you shake it for like 2 minutes again. Oh, forgot something else. So once you press in the hardener, this cap, make sure you use the clear coil, because if you save this and try to use it in a week or a month, I don't know, this won't work no more. So make sure you use it. You finish the can. So I shake this thing for like straight 2 minutes, and this is a before. Let's get it. Whew. All right, guys. All right, so I'm done, and I'm impressed. I say that because I did rattle can it, but for rattle can, it looks pretty good. Here, let me show you guys. You can see those blue flakes now, even more. There you go. Look at that. It has a little blue to it. There is some imperfections on the car, but I'm not too worried about it because, you know, this ain't a show car. Like I said, I am gonna drive it. It is gonna get dirty, and it's gonna get all scratched up and everything. Like here, where was it? Oh, you can't see it because it's a clear coat, but it was a little scratched, but I'm gonna let it dry, and then when I let it dry a little bit, maybe I give it another coat, because I still have like up to here left. Alright, so an hour has passed and this is kinda dry, but I was thinking that to wet sand the whole engine bay and then polish it, maybe, that's a maybe, if I have time, because you do see orange peels. Damn, I need a light. Damn, you guys can't see, but you guys can't see, but there is orange peels, and I mean, from the clear, you can see right there. But yeah, I might wet sand it and buff it, but I'm not sure. Like I said again, I'm not trying to make it into a show car. But I'm gonna think it over. But damn, I love this color. It looks nice. It has the blue to it. With that being said, this is gonna be the end of the video. But I mean, it came out better than I expected. But I still can't wait to put this B20 in, B20V. And yeah, so make sure you guys like the video, comment, and then make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'll see you next one. Peace.